What's up guys, I'm back with another tutorial, and this time we've got a nice drop fade with some curls on top. Now let's jump right into it. Approach every haircut by moistening and sectioning. First guard we used is a number 3 to debulk. Make sure to leave some hair underneath the parietal ridge. This will allow you to keep some darkness for better contrast. With your preferred trimmer, create a baseline contouring the client's head shape. Now get rid of everything underneath. With your lever open, no guard. Make about a ½ inch guideline. Notice how we don't have hair interfering because we debulked in the beginning. Grab the 1.5, open fully, and go up about a full inch. I now use the number 2 open right above. With no guard, close up the lever fully and hit the bottom guideline halfway through, eventually opening up the lever gradually as you go up. Using the half guard halfway open, create a ½ inch guideline. Open it up and create another one. Follow it up with the number 1. Remember, you want to start off with the lever open and gradually close it up if it doesn't seem to be cutting. Finally, with the lever open, no guard, hit the last visible line. In this case, I did use hairspray to hold down my C cup and hit it with my corner. Guys, if you happen to be wanting MB guards, you can shop MartyBlendz.com and get yourself a set. Remember, you're not done until you've also detailed and gone all over to check imperfections. Clip or overcomb if needed. As for beards, make sure to ask the client how they rather have it. It's extremely important to consider face shape when it comes to beards. Guys, I did come back and flatten everything out with my blending shears. Now as you can see, his length was all over the place, so I sectioned and took off excess hair. YouTube, here you have the final product for this beautiful mid fade, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're not. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.